Welcome to Exquisite. In the previous video, I showed you how to install Python through Anaconda. I also told you that we will be using the SPYDER environment on Anaconda for our Python programming. In this video, I will show you the way around the SPYDER environment, and then I will show you how to write a very simple Python program. This may be the first program for a lot of you, so I will take it very gently. If you installed Anaconda as in the previous video, then you can locate SPYDER by searching for it on your computer. Just go to your computer search bar, around the bottom left of the screen, and start typing the word SPYDER, spelt like that. There you will find the SPYDER Anaconda, with that icon. I advise you add it to the taskbar, so that it is easy and quick to open it next time. To add SPYDER to your taskbar, simply right-click on it, and then select Pin to Taskbar. Once you do that, the SPYDER Anaconda icon will show up on your taskbar, like that. It will always be there henceforth, so you don't need to do it again. To open the software anytime, you simply need to click on it. And when you do so, you will be welcomed to the SPYDER environment, looking something like this. This is the editor, while this is the console. The editor is where we usually type a long list of Python codes, or programs, before we run them. When we are done, then we run the program by clicking on this green button. Everything about executing the commands takes place on the console, and that is where the results may be displayed. Let's take a simple example. We want to write a short program that will ask or prompt the user for the radius of a circle. Then the program computes and displays the area of that same circle. We have to write this program on the editor. We can delete everything we already see on the editor, so that we have a blank editor, like that. To prompt a user for the radius of the circle, we type the code as in line 1 of the editor. The word input is the key word. It is a Python function that makes the program to ask the user for information. Inside the bracket is whatever we want the program to display to the user when it asks for the information. In this program, we want the user to enter the radius of a circle. So, we put that statement inside the bracket, and in quote, like that. At this stage, if we run this program by clicking on the green button, it displays the message requesting the user to enter the radius of the circle. If the user enters a value, let's say, 4, the program does nothing further with that information, because we have not asked it to do anything with it. Now, let's make the program to calculate the area of the circle, using whatever the user enters as the radius. The formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. We need the values of pi and r. Pi is a constant, and so we can simply define it to be 3.142, by typing pi equals 3.142, like that. And then we can get the radius as a variable, r, from the user. To do this, we simply say that r is equal to whatever the user enters by typing r equals whatever was on the first line, like that. Great. At this stage, we have everything we need, but one more thing. User inputs are usually regarded as strings. We need to convert r into something numeric, so that we can perform arithmetic like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, on it. For simplicity, I will recommend converting it to a general numeric type called float. To do this, we simply type r equals float r, as on the third line of the program. Here, we have simply defined a new r, that is the numeric type of whatever r was entered by the user. And then finally, we can write the formula for area of the circle, that is, a equals pi r squared, as in line 4 of the program. Note that the single asterisk sign is used as multiplication in Python, while the double asterisk sign is used as raised to power. So, what we have typed in line 4 of the program is read as a equals pi multiplied by r raised to power 2. At this stage, the program will compute the area of the circle as a, but it will not display it to the user. To make the program display the value of A, we need to add the fifth line of the program, which says, print A. Now, if we run the program again, it asks the user to enter the radius of the circle. If the user enters a value, let's say, 4, then the program computes the area of the circle, and displays it as 50.272. This is a great way to start learning Python programming. In subsequent videos, we shall be looking at how to do several other specialized and specific things on Python. If you like our videos, don't forget to click on the subscribe link. It is completely free, and lets you know when we upload new videos. Plus, it's your little way of promoting our channel. Thank you.